Welcome to Ask a Tech from FH Fur, where we answer important questions from local homeowners. We recently received a question from a customer that visited with a friend that had a whole home surge protector, and the customer wanted to know if it could benefit their home. A whole home surge protector serves as a crucial component in ensuring the safety and longevity of your electronic devices. Its primary function is to safeguard against voltage spikes or surges in the electrical system, diverting excess voltage away from your home's wiring and preventing potential damage to connected devices. This protection is especially valuable in instances of lightning strikes, power grid issues, or cycling of large appliances. Unlike individual power strips or surge protectors for specific devices, a whole home surge protector provides comprehensive coverage for all appliances and electronic equipment connected to your outlets. This includes major appliances, HVAC systems, and smart electronic devices throughout the home. Sudden surges in voltage can cause gradual damage to your electronics' internal components, leading to premature failure. The whole home surge protector acts as a barrier, preserving the integrity of your appliances and electronics. Moreover, a whole home surge protector enhances the overall safety of your home by mitigating the risk of electrical fires caused by voltage spikes. This added safety feature contributes to a secure living environment for you and your family. Knowing that your entire home is equipped with surge protection provides peace of mind. You can go about your daily activities without worrying about potential damage to your valuable electronics during thunderstorms, power fluctuations, or other events that may cause electrical surges. As awareness of the benefits of surge protection grows and technology becomes more integrated into homes, we have seen the popularity of whole home surge protectors increase significantly over the last few years because of the potential savings it can give homeowners in the event of an electrical surge. Installation of a whole home surge protector is typically straightforward. We install it right at the main electrical panel of your home. Once installed, these protectors require minimal maintenance, making them a convenient and effective long-term solution for comprehensive surge protection. We here at FH Fur would be happy to take a look at the electrical system in your home and give you a professional assessment of the whole home surge protector that will work best for you and your family. To arrange for an inspection or to learn more about whole home surge protection options, visit fhfur.com.